Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech World. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to join group on Flipgrid. Your passion the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us in order to join a group on Flipgrid. As a student, the first thing you need to have is a join code or a join-in link. If you don't have a school-provided email, then your educators should give you a unique student username or guest password. If you have any one of those three, you can easily join a group on Flipgrid. Tab open a Flipgrid application. And as soon as you open the app, you'll be able to see this kind of an interface as a student, and to join in code can a QR code or manage your group and topics and dashboard. Let me enter my join in code that my educator has provided for me. Type in the join in code into the enter the joining code text box and tap on go. Enter your student's username in the text box. If you'd like yourself to be remembered, you can leave this box checked where it says remember me. If not, uncheck this box and tap on go. As soon as you do that, you end up in the topic. Now once you're ready to record a response, simply go to add response button at the bottom to bring out the camera menu. Allows the grid to take pictures and record video by tapping allow. And now the last step that you'll need to perform is to record in Cement. Once you've joined and adapt to the Flipgrid camera screen, you can tap on the record button at the bottom as you can see it in a white circle. You can also add some cool effects, stickers, text, photos, GIFs, and much more to your video. After you're done, tap next and tap on the next button one more time into the submit video screen, and you name out a title or attach a link and then submit. That is how you can easily join a discussion for Flipgrid. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box. If you have a question or a feedback for us, I'll send it back with more tutorial episode. Goodbye till then.